Hi there, this is Anthony from Sax Technologies, and today I will be showing you some of the basic functionality of the cafe version of the SAXPOS point of sale application. So let's get started. So upon booting up the application, you should be greeted to a screen that sort of looks like this. So the password by default is usually 123, and then you just click on OK. Okay, so now that we're in the main screen, there are three main sections of the application that you really have to worry about. The left side, which is your order, the top side, which is your products, and the bottom, which is your functionality for the application. So I'll just do a basic transaction to give you the gist of how the cafe version of the software works. So I'll just order some garlic bread, some pizza, so let's just say Hawaiian, family size. And I guess we'll get a half and half, so Aussie. And what else? I guess just a Coke. And we'll just get a can. Okay, so you can see it on the left side is the order. So the total is 27 at the moment. And let's just check out. So when we check out, there are three ways that we can do our payments. We can either click one of the notes here, type it manually here, or click the enter button. So let's just click enter, which just means there's exact change. Now in the background you probably heard some noise. That is the printer printing. So usually when you make an order, you can set which orders get printed to the kitchen. That way the kitchen staff can then make your order. So now let's talk about some of the basic functionality on the bottom here. So the first one is the new transaction button. You'll use it if you're trying to cancel your order or you just want to make a new order. So just click new transaction. It will say please confirm, do you want to cancel the current transaction, and just say yes, and the order is cancelled. The next one is the delete item button. So just say you accidentally clicked a button twice. What do? You just click on the delete item and then click on yes, and the item is deleted. The next one is the X one, which is quantity. So if you want to change the quantity of garlic bread, just click X, and let's just say 3, and enter. Now the BS button stands for backspace. So just say we're changing the quantity and I accidentally clicked it twice. What do? Just click on the backspace button, and as you can see, it's 3, and just click enter, and it's 3 still. Now a button that might be pertinent to a lot of people is the miscellaneous button, especially very early on when you don't have all your products in yet. What you can do is click on the miscellaneous button, and we'll just create a miscellaneous product which you can change the price and quantity of. So let's change the price, which is the button here, and let's change it to like $6. So 6, and click enter, and done. Okay, so some of you may be confused on what these three buttons mean. So the print counter order button, what it does is that it prints an order on your receipt printer and prints your entire order. The print order button, it prints your order directly to where the order is pertinent to. So just say you set some items to print to the kitchen and some items that print to the pizza section of your kitchen, it will print the orders to those areas instead of to your receipt printer. And what the print order number button does is it just prints the order number. This is pretty useful if you want to just give it to customers. as a way for them to reference what order number they have. And set order is there for when you want to, usually if someone is sitting on a table and you want to set a table number, you just place the number here and just say OK. And you'll see that the order will have a T in front of it, and that just means table, essentially. Okay, so another feature that the SAXPOS software has is the delivery button here. And this allows you to do deliveries. So I'll just make a transaction. Let's just say we get a heap of garlic bread because this guy just loves garlic bread. We click the delivery button, click new to create a new customer, and we'll call this guy Greg Smith. We'll ship it to 123 Fake Street. And for the postcode, let's put in 3131. And then we choose the suburb, so Nanawati. Telephone number, whatever, it really doesn't matter at this moment. Click save, select, and we've gotten our delivery order. And then after that, we just click on hold to hold the delivery. And now when we want to manage this delivery, we click on history, delivery manager. As you can see here, we've got the order for Greg Smith. So let's set a driver for this delivery. So at the moment we've got David, or Jack, my bad, and we'll add the delivery to the driver. So now that Jack has this delivery, we can print the delivery for him. Now, as you can hear, the delivery has been printed. So on the docket, it will just say where is it getting delivered to, along with the customer's name and the complete order. So once Jack comes back from his delivery, all we need to do is just click on the complete delivery button, but first we have to double click it. As you can see, number of transactions is 1. Total is 15, so just click on the complete delivery button and say yes. And now the delivery has been paid, so we finished our delivery. Another piece of functionality that the SAXPOS point of sale application has is what's known as extras. So extras are essentially additional possible condiments or just possible extras in general. So there are 3 kinds. There's the extra group. So you'll see up here where it says extra, you can put as many of these orange buttons on top and they're a separate group. So in this case, the extra has no cheese, no meat. You can put more buttons obviously, such as like extra cheese, extra meat, whatever. And you'll see that, and you can see that the item itself is kind of on the side, saying that it's an extra essentially. Another type of extra is the in-group extras, also known as options. So just say when you click on the wedges, you can choose to put in with coffee or with soft drink. So let's choose with soft drink. And you can see that on the side, it says with soft drink with the wedges. So once you make the order, or the order will say wedges with soft drink. And the third type of option, which you probably saw earlier from my transaction, is the side options here. which allow me to make a order. So let's say a small margarita order with a small half and half, and you can choose between these half and halves. So let's go with half Mexicana, and it will be an extra like that. And that's a basic introduction of the cafe version of the SAXPOS point of sales application. And if you have any questions on how to use the SAXPOS application, just put a comment down below and I'll see if I can answer it when I can. And if you have any video recommendations in mind that is related to the SAXPOS software, I am more than happy to take a look and see if I can make a video on it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you consider SAXPOS as a potential point of sale solution for your own business.